Welcome to our topic on conical pendulum. So, paano mga ba tayo nakakapag-produce ng conical pendulum? No? So, a body can also describe uniform circular motion in a horizontal plane by suspending it with a string which makes it constant angle theta with the vertical. So, pero tayo may nabubuo tayong parang cone, nakasuspend yung isang body din paikot-ikot. So, nakaka-form tayo ng isang cone. So, ito talaga conical pendulum. So, to illustrate that, ito yun. So, magkakaroon tayo ng circular movement kapag pinaikot natin yan. So, merong weight M or mass M. So, to get Tx, as you can see on the illustration, Tx ay equal sa T sine ng theta. And then, which is equal sa ating centripetal force as well. Para maging balance, kailangan equal yan. Which is yung formula natin from our previous topic ay m is equal to b squared over r. So, meron naman tayong ty which is equal to t cosine theta, which is should be equal sa ating weight or the mass times the gravity. Then we have to get the tangent theta. So, we have t sine theta over t cosine theta. So, yung t sine theta natin ay mb squared over r. And then yung ating t cosine theta ay mg. No? So in short, we have b squared over rg. So for example, a conical pendulum consists of a 200-gram ball at the end of a string 40 centimeter long, which is making 10 degrees with the vertical. Calculate the speed of the ball and the tension in the string. So we have this illustration. 10 degrees yung theta natin. So to get the radius, we have L sine theta. Yung length naman natin ay given, yung length ng string which is 0.4 or 4 centimeter long, 0.4 meter. So to calculate for the tension of T in the string, so we have T cosine theta, which is equivalent sa mass times the gravity. So T cosine 10 degrees is equal to 0.2 kilogram times 9.81 meter per second squared. That's our gravity. So we have 2 Newton, yung ating T or yung tension sa ating string. So to calculate for velocity, so we have the formula for tangent theta na equal sa b squared over rg. So since given naman yung theta, given yung radius, makukuha natin. Then we have gravity. So makukuha natin yung b. So we have b is equal to the square root ng rg tan theta. So ating velocity ay square root ng L sin theta times gravity times tangent theta, which is 0.4 meters, yung length ng ating string, sine 10 degrees times 9.81 meter per second squared, and then we have tangent 10 degrees. Then we get velocity is equal to 0.35 meter per second. Thank you so much for listening.